Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to back up your GoDaddy email account step by step so you can protect your messages, attachments, and important data from loss or accidental deletion. Even though GoDaddy provides an email service, it's still smart to keep your own backup. You might delete something by mistake, change email providers, or simply want to keep an offline copy of key messages. Backing up gives you that peace of mind. In this tutorial, we'll show you two effective methods. First, a manual method using email client export, and a professional tool approach for more flexibility. Manual backup via email client. Open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your GoDaddy email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import Export. Select Export to a file, Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. The manual method is good, but it can be slow for large mailboxes and lacks advanced filtering options. If you want automation, filtering, or need to back up many users, consider using a dedicated backup tool. Here are the steps: download and install the tool on your system. Click on Open, Email Accounts, Add Account. Enter your GoDaddy email credentials. Click Export and choose your desired format. Set your destination path and hit Save button. That's it. You have successfully downloaded all emails from your mailbox with attachments. Using a backup tool gives you flexibility. You can export to different formats, filter what you need, maintain folder structure, and even schedule regular backups so you don't forget. Perfect for business or heavy email users. Download the email backup tool from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more email backup and migration tutorials,